Hello, welcome to the video. Today we will talk about the dreaded read ECONNRESET error in Node.js. This error can be frustrating. It interrupts your application and can be hard to debug. It means the connection was unexpectedly closed by the other side. Let's explore common causes and practical solutions to prevent it. First, understand what ECONNRESET means. It signifies that the TCP connection was forcibly closed by the peer. This is different from a clean close. A clean close involves a handshake. ECONNRESET happens abruptly. 1. Timeout issues. One common reason is network timeouts. Your server or the client might have a timeout setting. If a connection sits idle for too long, one side might terminate it. To fix this, increase the timeout settings on your server. You can configure the server's timeout property. You can also check your client's timeout configurations. Ensure the client and server timeout durations are compatible. Keep alive settings can help maintain persistent connections. 2. Server overload. Another culprit is server overload. If your server is under heavy load, it might not be able to handle all incoming requests. It may reset connections to cope. Monitor your server's resource usage. Check CPU, memory, and network bandwidth. Optimize your code to reduce resource consumption. Implement caching mechanisms to reduce database load. Load balancing distributes traffic across multiple servers. It can prevent overload on a single server. 3. Firewall or proxy issues. Firewalls or proxies can also cause ECONNRESET errors. They might terminate connections that appear idle or suspicious. Check your firewall rules. Ensure they are not blocking legitimate traffic. Configure your proxy settings correctly. Test your application with and without the proxy. For client-side problems, the problem might be on the client side. The client might be prematurely closing the connection. This can happen due to client-side timeouts or errors. Review your client-side code. Look for any code that might be closing the connection unexpectedly. Handle errors gracefully on the client side. Implement retry mechanisms to handle transient errors. 5. Network instability. Unstable network connections can also lead to ECONNRESET errors. Packet loss or network congestion can cause connections to drop. There's not much you can directly control here. However, robust error handling and retry logic can help. Consider using a more reliable network connection if possible. Debugging ECONNRESET errors can be tricky. Use logging to track connection events. Log timestamps, request details, and error messages. Wireshark or other network analysis tools can help you inspect network traffic. They can pinpoint the source of the connection reset. Always handle potential errors with try-catch blocks. This will prevent your application from crashing. Remember to test your fixes thoroughly. Use different network conditions and load levels. That concludes our discussion on preventing ECONNRESET errors in Node.js. These errors can be frustrating, but with careful debugging and proactive measures, you can minimize their impact. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it. Consider subscribing for more content on Node.js and web development. Your support helps us create more videos like this. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you would like us to cover in the future. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or other means. Every bit helps us continue creating valuable content for you.